Hi, I'm Doug Purcell with Orchid Realty International. Join me today as we take a look at this beautiful home in Shadowwood Preserve. Let's take a look inside. This freshly renovated lakefront home has an open concept featuring 3 bedrooms, a den, and 3.5 baths. The kitchen has all brand new cabinetry, new countertops, and a beautiful new marble backsplash, and overlooks the family room and outdoor living area with beautiful views of the pool, the lake, and golf course. Located toward the end of a cul-de-sac, it's an easy stroll to the community pavilion, tennis courts, and pickleball courts, the children's playground area, and the kayak launch and dock where you can enjoy the natural beauty of the Florida wildlife while kayaking Mullock Creek. It's a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida, and if you'd like to learn more about this home in Shadowwood Preserve, all you have to do is text 0312 to 239-206-1077.